and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today we are going to review Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation, which is now coming in small cute tube like this. So it contains about 18 ml of product and it costs you around 299 rupees. So when you buy online, you can get for a cheaper price, but when you buy from a store, you will definitely have to pay around 299 rupees. And now it also comes in a combo pack of foundation plus compact powder, so that costed me around 350 rupees as a whole. That is a combo pack, so that is really worth it when you buy from a store. I really like this tube because if I go for a bottle like this, it takes me around a really long time to finish the entire bottle. Like, it even crosses the expiry date and it goes waste. So this one is really good because it contains only 18 ml and I don't use foundation frequently. So for those who do not use makeup and foundation frequently, this is the best choice. And so apart from this, we are also going to see how to choose a foundation and how to choose a foundation according to your skin tone. So without further delay, shall we go? Then let's go. So how to pick the right shade? Well, this is very tricky. First, you need to know your undertone. So how do you know your undertone? One way is to check your veins in the sunlight, not any artificial light, but sunlight. So if your veins look purple or blue, then you probably are on the cool undertone side. And if it looks green, then you are on the warm side. But if you have both green and blue or purple veins on your wrist, then you are neutral undertone like me. Next is the jewelry test. So if silver jewelry looks best on you, then you have a cool undertone. If gold jewelry looks best on you, then you have a warm undertone. And if both suits you, then lucky you have a neutral undertone. Next factor is to know your skin type. So whether you have an oily skin or a dry skin. If you have oily skin, you can very well go for a matte foundation. But if you have dry skin, it's better to go for a dewy foundation because matte foundation can actually settle into the dry patches of your skin, or if you have fine lines, it tends to go and settle into those lines and make it appear even more prominent. So it's better to go for a dewy foundation. Next important thing to know is what kind of coverage you need. Whether you need full coverage, that is if you have acne scars and blemishes and things like that, you would need a full coverage foundation. Whereas if you just have some few blemishes or patches, or if your skin is really clear, then you only need medium or light coverage foundations. Next, when you check your foundation shades at a store, they always show you in your wrist or back of your hand, which is a no-no. Don't test it on your wrist or the back of your hand, because the skin in the wrist of your hand is much lighter than that of your face, whereas the back is much darker than that of your face. So then how should you try it? Well, try it on your jawline. So first start from here and work it down, just blend it down here and see. Can you see it appears chalky? So this is not the shade for me. So let me try another shade. This is still better than the previous one, but still this is also not my shade. Next I try one more shade and I blend it. See, it blends much better than the two other shades. So this is the shade that matches my skin tone. You see that? And it's always best to have two foundations, that is one for summer and one for winter. This is because during summer your skin tends to get a little tanned and looks a bit darker than during winter. So it's always best to have two shades, one lighter than the other. Since I have a neutral undertone, I find it difficult to find the right shade of foundation for me. So I end up mixing two foundations to get the right tone of foundation that suits my skin color. So here I have with me 115 Ivory and 128 Warm Nude. So one is yellowish and one is pinkish, and when I mix the both together, I get almost the exact shade that suits my skin tone. So during winter, I take more of 115 and little bit of 128 because my skin gets a little more pale during winter, and during summer I take more of 128 and a little bit of 115 because my skin gets tanned during summer. Remember, foundation is not used to make you look fairer. It is just to give you an even skin tone and also a good base for your makeup. So don't go choose a very light foundation which is going to look really weird and chalky, and you don't want that kind of a look. You want an even skin tone that matches your neck and your face. So altogether it should also look like a natural skin color. So choose a foundation according to your skin tone and don't choose a lighter or a darker shade. So that is how you choose a foundation that suits your skin tone the best. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. Thank you for watching. See you soon.